I have a GoPro Hero 7 here, black. I'm going to show you how to format the SD card while it is inside the GoPro. Okay, so very, very simple. So first thing is go ahead and turn on your GoPro. And then once you have it on, what you want to do is slide from the top down. Okay, so top and then slide it down. And then what we're going to do is we're going to tap on preferences right here. Tap on that. And now what we're going to do is we're going to scroll all the way down to the very, very bottom until you see reset here at the bottom. Tap on reset. And the first one, it says format SD card. So tap on that. And that says delete all your files and format your SD card. So I'm going to go ahead and format here. So anything that's on my SD card now is going to be long gone erased. So I'll go ahead and tap on format. It's formatting. Give it a second here. And there we go. The SD card has been freshly formatted and I'm ready to start shooting video. Any questions? Comment below. Good luck.